CT mechanism acylation phase step 1. The next few slides cover the acylation and de-acylation phases of the CT reaction mechanism. These sites are derived from the figure. When substrate binds the side chain of the residue adjacent to the peptide bond to the cleaved nestles in a hydrophobic pocket on the enzyme, postponing the peptide bond for attack. CT mechanism acylation phase step 2. Interaction of SR195 and HIS57 generates a strongly nucleophilic alkoxides ion on SR195. The ion attacks the peptide carbonyl group, forming a tetrahedral acyl enzyme. This is accompanied by formation of a short-lived negative charge on the carbonyl oxygen of the substrate, which is stabilized by hydrogen bonding in the oxyanion hole. CT mechanism acylation phase step 3. Instability of the negative charge on the substrate carbonyl oxygen leads to the collapse of the tetrahedral intermediate. Reformation of a double bond with carbon displaces the bond between carbon and the amino group of the peptide. Linkage breaking the peptide bond, the amino leaving group is protonated by HIS57, facilitating its displacement. CT mechanism acylation phase step 4. An incoming water molecule is deprotonated by channel base catalysis, generating a strong nucleophilic hydroxide ion. Attack of hydroxide on the ester linkage of the acyl enzyme generates a second tetrahedral intermediate with oxygen in the oxyanion hole, again taking on a negative charge. CT mechanism deacylation phase step 5. Short-lived intermediate deacylation, acyl enzyme intermediate, collapse of the tetrahedral intermediate forms the second product, a carboxylate anion, and displaces SR195. CT mechanism deacylation phase step 6. Enzyme product 2 complex, short-lived intermediate deacylation, collapse of the tetrahedral intermediate forms the second product, a carboxylate anion, and displaces SER195. CT mechanism deacylation phase step 7. Chymotropsin free enzyme product 2 complex, dissociation of the second product from the active site regenerates free